Hey, what's up guys? Right now I'm gonna be reverting my controller from my Phantom standard back to its normal stock state from the antenna, the upgraded antenna that I use for distance. So I'm gonna revert it back to the regular antenna. Reason because I'm using the Phantom Pro for distance, and I'm not gonna be using this one for distance. So that's one of the reasons. And the second, the antenna works great and everything. There's only one thing I don't really like about the antenna is that you have to actually keep it straight. You know, like you have to face this part of the antenna straight towards the drone. So if you're like really far away and you like turn just slightly a little bit, you lose connection. I didn't really like that too much. So with this one, I didn't have too much of a problem other than it going not that far, limited distance. But so I'm gonna be doing that now, and basically I gotta use my tools, my little screwdriver set. This is the antenna, some white silicone, and that's pretty much basically it. Open it up and revert it back. So first thing I'm gonna do is, maybe I should disconnect these cables back here. I think I'm gonna just disconnect these cables back here first, and then start reverting, and then remove the screws. All right, so I'm just gonna loosen these up with this needle nose pliers. Three. Okay, now I just gotta loosen up these screws here with an, see that, with an Allen key. Okay, I got my Allen key here. I'm gonna loosen this up here. Okay, so okay, got the antenna off. Put it there. Okay, so it's starting to look like normal. Gotta get this little plug thing off. Okay. Now I just gotta remove the screws, the 4 screws in the back. Okay, so one of my screwdrivers broke. The one that actually fits here. So just gonna have to screw it out like this. I know I have another small screwdriver, but I really don't want to go looking for it. But they're coming out anyway. Hands are kind of dirty. So I was working on my car. Okay, so I removed the last screw, and just gonna pop this baby open. There you go. This is it. It's the controls. Okay. Here we go. This is how I got it. Alright. I should disconnect these cables here. Disconnect these cables. This is the bottom one. And I'm going to disconnect the battery. Alright, so I disconnected these cables and I accidentally broke one of the little connectors there. The one for the battery. I'll fix that. Okay, so these are the cables that I gotta exchange. These right over here, these points, 1, 2, 3, and then I gotta put the original cables from these two panels here. One here, and the middle one goes there. Just gotta move this tape here. I had put these this tape here to keep these connectors from touching anything for when I had put the other antenna on. Okay, so now I'm gonna slip this main antenna here. This should snap in. Okay, it snaps right in there. Okay, wait. Just make sure. Okay, this folds up like this. All right. And this is the right side here. And this is the left side connector. Okay, so I hot glued these in, so just remove a little bit of this glue. Okay, that one's off. All right. So this one should be the right one, I think. No. I gotta get the right orientation here. Okay, so let me just move on here and disconnect this. Okay. All right. Disconnected that. So I don't know if I'm gonna remove these. I'm just probably gonna end up just put some electrical tape and just put these wires away. Put them on the side like that or something like that. And just keep it like this, sort of keep these holes closed. I think that's probably what I'm gonna do. All right, so I got the 3 connectors in, connecting wires in. This one for the main antenna, down here. This black wire for the right side, and this gray wire for the left side. So I'm just gonna put a little silicone there. Just to hold them down. You don't want them to come out while you're flying the drone. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some silicone. Let me start out with the top one first. Okay, squeeze out some of this silicone. Looks pretty good. That's pretty good. Good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna put the back in and try to fix this wire here the connector that broke. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to try to fix this wire here. I should do this one last. So let me just connect these back. So I was able to put it back inside the clip there. I just gotta get it in. Okay, so I was able to get the cable in. I'm just gonna put a little silicone on top of there. And one day if I gotta replace this battery, I could just I don't have a new connector. Just gotta put this cable in. That's it. Close it up. That's about it. Okay, so I closed everything up and tested it and it works. Battery's dead. So, okay. So now I just gotta put the 4 screws in and that's about it. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's about it and complete. I reverted it back to standard. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. I will be flying my drone soon. So, later.